Continue our discussion. So another important aspect is reduction of data. One of the core functions of statistics is to make use of the pool of data, the large field called data. But then, if the data is looked at in totality, not all the content and data points would be meaningful for people. So, what is observed is, or what is most likely to happen is, facts sought from the data tends to be much lesser than facts supplied by the data. There comes the question of relevance, irrelevance, and so on. As we go go on, we will understand it better. How to reduce data? The mechanics of reduction. How's it done? As shown in the slide, there's an oval shape given, and there's a star. Now, one would wonder what this oval shape says. It's written hypothetical infinite population. So I would like to share first. Population, the word has two different connotations. One hand, it means something like census. Census happens, for example, once in 10 years in countries like India. It captures all the households, people. So there's a head counting going on. But imagine, is that a feasible option for every research venture? For example, we want to collect the data on uh, information technology employees in India, and there's no head counting available like census. But then some firms we may have access, some are IT enabled service companies, information technology enabled service companies. Supposing one company exists XYZ with 1,000 employees, we are in a position to collect information from all these 1,000. It's important to note this 1,000 is not tantamount to a census. It's a sample. So, in the absence of head count like census, what is population then? As we go on, we'll discuss it more. It's called hypothetical infinite population. So, characteristics of hypothetical infinite population is called parameters, whereas characteristics of sample is called statistics. Let's come back to this case again. IT enabled services, firm in IT enabled service. We are measuring employee satisfaction. 1,000 employees, all 1,000 employees provide data on it. Are they satisfied? And it's measured by using a scale 1 to 5. Imagine. So, what is mean average employee satisfaction? Imagine out of on a 1 to 5 or 1 to 10 scale. Supposing it's 1 to 10 scale. Supposing average, imagine average is 5. That's called statistics. Now the question is, what would be the population? What would be the employee satisfaction with respect to population, hypothetical population? That's what parameter conveys. Three problems are there as far as reduction of data is concerned. Important issues, problems, which can be classified into three: problem of specification, secondly, problem of estimation, problem of distribution. Problem of specification is regarding the choice of mathematical form of population. While in the case of problem of estimation, it means choosing the method of calculation. Problem of distribution, what does it mean? It means goodness of fit. Surely, as we go on, we'll have more discussion on it.